Why do we say the sun but a star? We can see thousands of stars, but only one sun. And that difference changes the article we use. Today we explore a powerful idea behind articles: the difference between something unique and something general. This pattern will help you understand when to use a and when to use the. In English, we use the when something is unique or specific. We use a when something is one of many, not specific. The sun is unique. There's only one sun in our solar system. A star is general. It could be any star in the universe. So the article tells us how the speaker sees the object. Unique and known use the. General and unknown use a. Here are some clear examples for this rule. The sun rises in the east. There's only one sun in our experience. I saw a star in the sky. There are many stars, so we use a. More examples. The moon is bright today. There's only one moon for Earth. I read a book yesterday. One of many possible books. The president will speak today. One specific leader. She wants to be a doctor. One profession among many. We use that when something is unique in a context, even if it is not globally unique. For example, close the door. There's a lot of doors in the world, right? But there's only one in this room. Turn off the light. The specific light we both know. I spoke to the manager. That one manager in that place. But what about these tricky ones? Pass me the salt. The only one salt on the table. Sit on the chair. The specific chair near us. Even ordinary objects can become unique if both speaker and listener know which one they mean. We use a when we introduce something new or not specific. For instance, I saw a dog in the park. It could be any dog, not known yet. She bought a car. One of many cars. He needs a pen. Any pen will do. Here are some commonly used sentences. I'm looking for a job. Not specific job. She wants to watch a movie. Any movie. He met a teacher. One teacher, not specified. So, a introduces new information. Sometimes both a and an are possible, but the meaning changes. I saw a teacher. One teacher, unknown. I saw the teacher. The specific teacher we both know. Another example. She adopted a cat. Any cat. She adopted the cat. A particular cat. Maybe already mentioned in a conversation before. We stayed at a hotel. One of many hotels. We stayed at the hotel. The specific one, already known hotel. The article changes how the listener understands the situation. There are some categories where we almost always use the, because the thing is unique or clearly defined. The sun, the moon, the earth, the sky, the internet. We also use the with rivers. The Nile, the Amazon, seas and oceans, the Pacific Ocean, the Baltic Sea, mountain ranges, the Alps, the Himalayas, deserts, the Sahara, groups of islands, the Maldives. Here are some more sentences used daily. The radio, when speaking in general. For example, I heard it on the radio. The cinema, when talking about an activity. For example, we go to the cinema every weekend. One more example. The same, always takes the. We have the same idea. Let's check how you understood the pattern and choose between a or the. Sun is shining today. The sun is shining today. I saw bird in a garden. I saw a bird in a garden. Close window. Close the window. She wants to buy house. She wants to buy a house. We visited museum you recommended. We visited the museum you recommended. So, use the when something is unique or known, and a when something is unknown or one of many. In general, you should remember, some things almost always take the, especially when they are naturally unique or part of a known group. That's why we say the sun, but a star. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical English lessons. And in the next video, we'll go deeper into a very common question. Why do we say at home, but also at the home? Go to my next video right now to find out. And remember, once you see the pattern, you can't unsee it. Bye-bye!